Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to report and handle card loss or fraud via SpareBank One mobile application. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to report and handle card loss or fraud in SpareBank One app, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up the SpareBank One application, then tap on Get Started. Now you'll be prompted to log in with the bank ID, Face ID, fingerprint or PIN. Simply enter it and log into your account. Once logged into your account, what you need to do here is on the home screen, simply scroll down and then tap on card section and select the card you want to manage, debit or credit. Then next is to tap on temporary lock card, which means spare code mid-lit tick, and then turn the toggle on or tap spare. This prevents anyone from using the card until you unlock it, which is useful if you misplaced your card but might find it later. Now in order to report lost or stolen card or fraud, if your card is lost, stolen or used fraudulently, go to the card in the app or simply head over and select the card that you want and then tap on permanent block option. Then confirm your choice and the card is blocked immediately and you would usually receive a new card automatically. You can also contact SpareBank One support, which is optional but recommended, by simply tapping on the more option on the bottom right corner of the screen, scrolling all the way down and selecting help. And here choose card issues and then tap on report loss or fraud option, or simply call the 24/7 card support number, which is printed on your card on the back and which is also available in the app as well. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.